Kaizer Chiefs squad already traveled to Zambia. Siyabona abafana lapha. Please like, share, subscribe so that the channel can grow. Ningakhohlwa ukucomment abafethu. Looking at this squad bafethu esihambile siya eZambia going to play against iZesco. I think this is a great squad. A lot of youngsters. That's what I like. That's the very important thing that I like to see the young ones going with the squad bafethu. And then looking at athi bani lo goalkeeper lo youngster naye I don't know if Mazamba or Mazehamba, something like that. Looking at him going with the squad, it's a great thing. Great choice from Mama coaches. Okay, lineup yethu bafethu. It can be Peterson on the goalpost. Peterson, obvious, will cover. We don't know because they can come with a surprise and bring that Mazamba or Mazahamba. And then Umakati Bafet on the left back is doing great because he can cover Umigweli Maikala yenza lezi zinto zakhadume ngazo Umigweli. At least he can cover all of that. Miguel on the left center back, yeah, I cannot say he's great, but he is doing well. He's not bad. And then bese sibuke uKwinika bafethu, the guy who's busy doing clean job, he doesn't get a yellow card simple bafethu, but he's doing a lot of job. And then Solomon on the right back, I will prefer him over Umonyane, seeing the way he performs. He's not back in his match fitness. And then Mabui, Mabaso, Vilagazi, these two, they can do great on that midfielder. Midfielder yethu bafethu, it can be great seeing Vilagazi no Mabaso. And then on our right back, right wing asibone uLuke Batman, the silver striker Velebai. And then bese sibe singene la kulona kuMcCarthy bafethu. McCarthy, he can honor this space. I have seen him is doing great. And then ulona uSolomon Zena, he can go up. That's what I like about him. He can go up. And then maya phambili uBatman bafethu avale le space aze la. And then mayeze lana bafethu uBatman, I saw he's good on the ball. So he's doing great. I have no complaint on him. And then mayeza lapha uSolomon zasondele kancane bese uDe Silva yelapha eboxing because he's good in the box. uDe Silva bafethu akusi player lelo kumele libe lishaya ama-runs libuye emuva lizomakha. So uma abuye azovala le space njengoba uKwinika naye sevale le space sika-Solomons, and then uVelepai akhuphuke lapha phezulu, and then uMabaso naye akhuphuke bese uMcCarthy abuye azovala la, because I saw ukuthi uMcCarthy is great when it comes to that. And udlalela kule position is not going too much forward. At least ma seba-athekile ke then the boys can come back bazobuyela kuma-position wabo. Simple as that. The reason why I didn't put Umayo can come as a substitute because I saw he's great when he's coming as a substitute. But besides coming as a substitute, the reason why ngizoyeka uSilva as a striker, it's because of lento yakhe ukuthi in the box he has balance. Even though uBatman naye he has balance, we can play him as a striker. Sithathe uVelepai sizomfaka as right winger, sithathe uShabalala simfake as a left winger, because I have seen uShabalala when he's playing on the left side, he's more dangerous. Even if he attacks, he's coming on the side, which is he is playing as a left winger. He's in no wrong position. And then Umayo yena, he can play as a number 10, but he is not so creative like Vilakazi. Vilakazi is good. He can play as number 10. I support Vilakazi playing as a number 10, not as a winger. And then Umabasabe number 8. I would love to see that. I wish our coaches they can do such thing, because of Lamachita Bafesu are gifted. Are gifted, are talented. and besides i-talent alone, amajita ahlakaniphile, ama-final decision wabo, they are very good. Because I've seen uMabaso, i-final decision yakhe is very good. If ubona ukuthi uvaliwe, he can shoot. If uyabona ukuthi is far from i-goal post, he can pass someone and he hardly lose the ball. So we love someone like that playing with Abu Makhat. I think these young ones, they can carry Kaizer Chiefs while we are still looking for other players. Because uVilakazi, I saw him when Abo Tesh Mabaso, uvele by uBatman coming, and then he's seeing Nobani Omunye, no Delen Solomons naye playing with the boys. It's just that uSolomons yena into emshaya kakhulu i-final decision yakhe. I saw him losing ibhola nje, not losing. I saw him kicking ibhola where he's not supposed to just kick the ball. It's not ukuthi mawuphethe ibhola and then you went to the side, you can just square. That's why abantu abaningi bazothi uMonyane is great because of he doesn't just square. He like to play ibhola. So even if Monyane can play, I will love it as long as he's playing with these young ones, Abo Vilakazi, Velepai, Shabalala, Batmani, Mabaso. I would love to see him playing with them. And then Umabu Inae, I saw he's great. Even Umakat is great on the ball.